Hello, hello. Today we're gonna be talking on how to have a healthy mental health during this time of COVID-19. Working in both mental health, in psych and in substance abuse, what I've noticed an increase in the number of people that used to that have been sober for many years, because of the situation we are having now, the COVID situation. Most of them have turned back to drinking. Most of them have turned back to doing drugs, and also in the psych facilities, what I've noticed, you have many patients coming in which is their first psychiatric admission, which is just due to the stress and all the things that coronavirus or is COVID-19 has contributed. First of all, we know this virus has caused a lot of damage in many families, people losing their loved ones, people losing their jobs, people being stressed out. And also there are people that already have like underlying conditions like depression. And usually when they used to go out at work and interact with their colleagues at work or keep the day busy, it makes it easy for them. But now that most things, like almost everything is at home, you have telehealth. You see the psychiatrist is seeing the patient from home, the doctor, they are seeing patient over the phone. So this has limited the number of people, how people do interact. And we also know people are staying all the 6 feet, apart from each other. So this has really limited that interaction. Most of those people that used to be depressed, when they go to work, they interact with their colleagues. It kind of makes them feel relief. It makes their day goes faster. But now they are staying home. So what do they do? When you stay home, you keep having those thoughts, all kind of thoughts, and worries, scared start coming. And that is why you see worsening depression. And sometimes it can go to psychotic futures. Patient can start thinking and having hearing voices and all whatnot just because of too much stress and too much thinking, because the brain can't work that much. Your brain is thinking like throughout. They don't sleep, they don't eat, so it's a lot of stress. So I remember I even have my patients, there are some of them that will be like they have trouble sleeping. So I would just be, sometimes after trying every PRN, whether it's medication and it's sleeping pill for them and it doesn't work, I just tell them to maybe say ABC, count 1, 2, 3. That way, it's not something about life. It's just something that will occupy your mind so that you will not start thinking about the issues of life. And this has really been therapeutic to most of the patients because it really helped most of them to go to sleep. And also, as we were saying, we were talking, today we'll be looking at the tip on how we can have a healthy mental health despite all these things that we are having, the issues we are having right now. First of all, we need to eat healthy. We need to eat well. We need to eat a healthy meal. We need to exercise. And if you know that something that you like to do, I know in psych we call it sublimation, like, which means you can use this opportunity, instead of doing something bad, do something good that will benefit you during this time. Look something, maybe get a talent, start singing, start creating something, start creating a business. Use that opportunity and use it to benefit you. Don't use it to destroy your life. Let it be a time that it will be beneficial to your life. And also, we need to exercise, because when we exercise, that is how we have the blood circulation, we have our body functioning well. And I believe if our body is functioning and is healthy, we will be able to overcome all the stress. But if we are not exercising well, if we are not eating well, it makes the body weak, it makes the body prone, and it can easily, even the virus, you can easily contact that virus because your immune system is weak. So we need to eat healthy, we need to sleep healthy, we need to exercise. And if you're staying home with your family, even if it's a music, you guys can play music and dance as a family and still have fun. You must not go to the club. You must not go to a gathering to have fun. You can decide and still have fun in your house. You can decide and still play, whether it's a gospel music, whether it's what kind of music that you like to listen to. Play that music in your home, listen to it, dance with your family. And also, one of the things that I want to say is during this time, we need each other, no matter the situation in your home, because we need each other's support. It doesn't matter whether it's political, from what one political party or to the other political party. We need each other to survive. We need each other to combat this virus. We need each other despite our political belongings or our differences in our homes. We need to support each other. That is the only way we can be able to defeat the virus. Because I believe if we can put our mind, there's a saying that says, together we stand and divided we fall. I believe if we can put our mind together, we shall conquer the virus. We shall conquer the virus. We will not let the virus conquer us. We will conquer the virus. And also, I know like most people working from home, I've also had like patients complain of being stressed from working from home, just as I was saying earlier, because they used to interact with their peers, but which also depends on the atmosphere in your home. Because I believe if you have a lovely home, I believe everybody will want to stay at home for 24/7. So it's during this time, I believe we should use this opportunity. If it's a broken marriage, if it's a broken home, I believe we should use this opportunity to support each other and use that opportunity and build our home. Because now we have seen each other every day. We spend time with each other. So I believe it's a time that we can use to instead construct, not to destroy. So, so I just want to say thank you for listening, and I pray and plead we should put our mind together to conquer the virus. We should not let the virus conquer us. Thank you for listening. If you like my channel, subscribe, and thank you. Comment.